The JTECH-EX230 HDMI extender is the most cost-effective solution for long-range extension of UHD video signal over Cat5e or 6 Ethernet cable. HDMI cables are the standard for transmitting high-quality video signals, but their transmission range is often limited by the length of the cables. With JTECH Digital's HDMI extender kit, you can now extend your HDMI signal to up to 230 feet, all with no signal loss or latency. The extender is compatible with the HDMI 2.0 standard with 18 GB per second bandwidth and resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz with 444 color sampling, along with other features such as HDR10, power over cable, and bidirectional IR pass-through. The extender also offers an HDMI loop-out option from the transmitter to a local display. If your local TV is 4K and your remote TV is 1080p, you can press and hold the EDID button for 3 seconds. That way you can keep the 4K resolution on your local TV while downscaling to 1080p for the remote TV. You can find this product by going to our website jtechdigital.com and searching the product name or the model number EX230 in the search bar.